my name is Tim Whalley. I'm Executive Director of Prologue Performing Arts. I'm connecting from you here at my home with a special message from all of us at the Prologue team. We hope that you're keeping well, that you're staying healthy and safe during this very challenging time. We hope that you're able to stay connected to your community, to your friends, your family, your coworkers, artists, young people. And we wanted just to reach out from Prologue to express our sadness and regret at the many performances and workshops that have been canceled in schools this spring. As a result of the COVID-19 crisis, we estimate that approximately 150,000 young people will not be able to experience a performance or a workshop. At the same time, many artists are struggling with a lack of much needed income during their busiest time of the year. So we're very much coming to terms with what this loss means, but at the same time, we're exploring new ways of engaging young people. We have recently launched the Performing Arts Learning with Prologue, which is an online initiative featuring videos from Prologue artists and some of our fellow arts organizations, other educational resources. Later this spring, we'll be launching Leadership Through the Arts, which is a new program to support the creation of student-led Prologue clubs right across Ontario. And of course, we're very excited to launch our new 2021 season later in May, featuring 12 new artists on the Prologue roster. And I think I speak for the whole team when I say that we definitely could not have done this without your support and involvement. So we'd like to thank you for your continued support throughout this year and for the many years that you've been involved with Prologue. The future is very much uncertain and unknown for us, as it is for everyone in Ontario, but we're moving forward with hope and embracing new and diverse ways of reaching young people. One thing that we are certain of, however, is that we will need more support than ever to navigate this challenging time. And so we're here also to ask you to consider supporting us at this time. Consider joining our family of dedicated supporters by making a tax-deductible donation. Every contribution really makes a huge difference. You can donate through our website on the Donate Now button or visit our Canada Helps page. And finally, I'd like to thank you for considering this opportunity to support the work that we're all doing. And we wish the best for you and your family and look forward to connecting with you again soon. Thank you so much.